Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something huge, Hamster Kombat. Now, if you've been following along, you've probably heard the buzz about the upcoming listing and the potential profits you could earn from mining. But how does Hamster Kombat stack up against some of the most successful crypto projects like Dogs and other big names like Uniswap? Well, I'm here to break it all down for you. We've seen some impressive projects make waves in the past, and Hamster Kombat is shaping up to follow in their footsteps, with some exciting twists of its own. With just 14 days to go until its official listing on OKX, Bybit, and BITGET, this game is building momentum like never before. There's a lot to be optimistic about, and trust me, you won't want to miss out. So, how does Hamster Kombat compare to Dogs, and can it achieve the same success? Can you really cash out big with your keys and mining efforts? We'll cover all that in today's video, so stick around. I've got the facts, the figures, and some speculation based on the white paper that could give us clues about the future. Keep watching for all the details. Many of you are curious about the potential earnings, whether it's $50, $100, or even $1,000. Well, I'm here to tell you that there's plenty of reason to stay optimistic. I know some of you are wondering, will these listings be enough? My answer: things are looking very promising. Hamster Kombat has already captured the attention of millions of users, and the fact that multiple exchanges are now backing the project speaks volumes. This momentum can only grow as we near the big day. Now, I've heard from a few of you who are feeling a little uncertain about how much you can actually earn. Some of my subscribers are asking how much they can get based on their profit per hour and the keys they've accumulated. I understand where you're coming from, but remember, we can only speculate at this point based on what we've seen in previous projects and the information provided in Hamster Kombat's white paper, achievements, and targets. But let me assure you, the outlook is very positive. Hamster Kombat's development team has laid out ambitious plans, and we're seeing key milestones fall into place. The listing on OKX, Bybit, and BITGET is just the beginning, there's more on the way. So, keep playing fairly, keep accumulating those keys, and stay focused. The targets and achievements sections in the app, along with those TBA updates, are crucial as we move closer to the listing date. Let's crunch some numbers. If Hamster Kombat averages $250 per withdrawal, it could potentially distribute $13.75 billion to its users. Even at a conservative estimate of $50 per user, we're still looking at a massive $2.75 billion distribution. That's big. It's not unrealistic to think this could be one of the largest airdrops we've ever seen in the crypto space. Plus, with more exchanges possibly jumping on board, the opportunities only grow from here. Looking back at other successful platforms like Dogs, which offered an average withdrawal of $300, it's clear Hamster Kombat has the potential to compete on the same level, if not surpass it. With such a large community, there's every reason to believe we're on the brink of something big. The key is patience, persistence, and staying active in the game. Here's the thing, Hamster Kombat now boasts 55 million users, and the project continues to grow. With an ever-expanding community and daily engagement through tasks, rewards, and the playground, there's a lot of potential. I encourage everyone to play fairly and avoid any shortcuts. Remember, getting banned now could mean missing out on some massive rewards later on. Play it safe, keep grinding, and don't take any risks that could jeopardize your account. In these final 14 days leading up to the listing, it's more important than ever to stay motivated and keep playing. This could very well be one of the most significant opportunities we've seen in the crypto gaming space in a long time. With multiple exchange listings on the horizon, including OKX, Bybit, and BITGET, the momentum behind Hamster Kombat is undeniable. Whether you're a seasoned player or just getting started, this is your chance to make the most of the time left. Now is the time to accumulate as many keys as you can and focus on completing your targets and achievements within the game. Every key, every completed task gets you one step closer to potential rewards when the airdrop happens. But remember, the key to success is playing fairly, so avoid any risky moves that could get you banned from the platform. The opportunity is here, and it's up to you to seize it. As always, I'm here to keep you informed with all the latest updates. So, stick with me. I'll continue to provide you with the insights you need to maximize your earnings and make the most of what Hamster Kombat has to offer. Something big is definitely on the horizon, and you don't want to miss out on this. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keep playing, stay optimistic, and let's crush these final days together. I'll see you in the next video with more updates and strategies. Until then, stay safe and happy mining.